Welcome back to SailingUV, the best sailing show on earth. In this week's episode, we're kind of all over the place, but what else is new? We started a few projects we get to see finished and a few we don't. We do, though, have a lot of big projects coming up that you don't want to miss, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming episodes. And I can't thank you guys enough for being here with us and watching and following along. It means the world to us. Hope you enjoy the episode. Violet was still sleeping. She woke up when she heard me talking to you guys, so I figured I'd film some of her being a sleepy baby. I'm barely awake. You're such a good girl. You're such a good baby. Yes, you are. You're such a good girl. So, we'll talk to you guys soon. Going to put this, yes,
3, 2,
into here,
1.
and into there.
Is
Oh, I got other way more important stuff I could be doing, I'm sure, but not today. There's nothing else I could be doing. I've been editing all day. I don't have my mic on because I'm a genius, and I didn't plan on talking in this. I've just planned on showing that, and then, you know, ta-da, it's done. But yeah, I figured I'd chime in. Damn it, Jeff. Gotta turn that down. Y'all know I'm watching Survivor. It's in the background, you know, it's just noise. I don't watch it because I've seen it so many times. I already know what's happening, so I digress. Yeah, there's really nothing else we can be doing today because there is so much going on in town right now. I was planning to go unload a bunch of shit from the van today, but the parking lot up there, every parking lot is full. I mean, literally, I'd have to park. It's not worth fucking with today. It's not worth doing. The van's gonna have to wait. Poor thing. Needs oil change. Needs brakes. You know, nothing desperately, but it needs them soon. It needs those things taken care of, and I need to just take a lot of weight out of it, and that'll help it a whole lot. Anyways, there wasn't really anything else I can do on the boat today. I don't have stuff to do any of the tasks that I have laid out in front of me, so I got all this crap. I've had all this crap for so long. I just figured I'd throw it in. I had that too, and I just shoved it in there because this is all getting changed. Anyways, I need some tunes on the boat, so I've got them I had them in the van. Might as well install them. Let's just do one of those. Damn it! It didn't even work. We gotta try this again. Well, it's Sunday. Want to see what day it is? 12. It's October the 12th. Ugh. Whatever. Remember we snapped our fingers and made that happen? Well, we gotta snap our fingers now and make this happen because it's just the worst. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I was just deciding on how much airspace it needed and blah blah blah, but you know. There we go. This is an access panel at the base of the mizzen mast. It was the last spot it could have possibly been leaking, and was. Okay, so anywhere you're putting screws into a boat, the boat's engine, anywhere you're putting metal screws into a metal anything, you want grease in the threads. So pump those threads full of grease, clean the surfaces off again so it's not everywhere. But you want it in the damn threads. That way, when you go to remove these screws in the future, they come right out. If you forget this step or skip this step, those stainless steel screws are going to be in this aluminum permanently. Here we're just scuffing up the surfaces really good with some 80 grit to get a really good bond for the adhesive. You got to make sure to clean this all really well also. Well, this is beginning to become a trend here with me. I go through the trouble of making a video about what I'm doing, film the majority of the process, and then completely lose the footage too, and or maybe just forget to hit record on a battery change when I'm almost done. But here again, I got right up until the end, right before we bedded this down with 3M 4000, and footage is gone. I don't know, guys. This is as far as she goes. I bedded this down, and that was the end of the leaks. Finally sealed up the base for now until we can get this mast unstepped and repair the block of wood underneath it. Now our footage has taken us from mizzen mast sealing to cap rail scraping. Exciting stuff. On, on the plus side, this is all peak cap railing and it's all in amazing condition. So this project is totally worth it. These cap rails really are going to be gorgeous when we're done, and 100% worth all of the effort that we put into restoring them. How crappy would this video be if we didn't end it in the way the whole rest of the video is gone, with me starting something on camera and not getting footage of it finished? Yeah, I'm sorry about that. We definitely have to do better. I don't know what was going on this week, but the end result is really what you need to film here. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here with us. If you're really enjoying the videos, you can always join the crew over on Patreon. It's just patreon.com/SailingUV. There'll be a link in the description below, as well as links to like our Ko-Fi and Cash App and the Amazon lists and whatnot, if you feel like supporting in other ways. Don't worry, this will be a sailing channel before you know it. I guess that's about it. We just got to wrap it up. Thanks again so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope we see you back here next week. Later.